What is up, everybody? My name is Eric. I'm that one guy, and today we're going to set up my new Ruroc EOX helmet with my motovlogging setup. My motovlogging setup has really gotten simplified over the years because before we had the GoPro Hero 10, we had the GoPro Hero 7, which required an adapter to set up your mic. So it was just this big mess of wires and adapters and Velcro and tape and all this extra stuff. Now all we have is a mic that goes inside the helmet to the wire, which hooks up to the GoPro's media mod right there, and that is all there is to it. And then of course we have the mount, and Ruroc is awesome, and they have this mount that fits perfectly. This fit perfectly to the Atlas 3.0 and 4.0. I'm hoping that it will fit perfectly here on the EOX, which I did kind of a dry test on the EOX, and it looks like it's going to be a perfect fit, but again, just because it looks that way doesn't mean that it's going to be that way. So we got a little alcohol pad here just to clean the area where the mount is going to go. This is a brand new helmet, so I mean, it's not really any residues on there. So we've got the 3M stick. The nice thing about this mount is that I have had these mounts adhesive. Eventually, you know, it gets old, or it gets grime and dust and dirt up in there as you're riding, and then you have to replace it. But the nice thing is that this mount is nice and sturdy. If you with a little bit of elbow grease, you can pull all of this adhesive off and then use either. I just got Gorilla double stick, like the really heavy duty double stick tape. Basically has the same feel to it. Yeah, I just put new tape on and then it's all ready to go. So you'll see here, just remove the back and hit this with some heat. Just a little bit, and then we're gonna apply maximum pressure. Okay, this is my least favorite part. Oh, that's good. Okay. All right. And I can feel that it's still warm, so that's good too. Maximum pressure. So, just taking a look, and I don't know if you can see this on the video, there is a little bit of a gap there on both sides. So I think that the helmet is not quite exactly the same shell form factor, but it's good enough, and this is going to stay. This is going to stay just fine. We'll continue to apply more pressure as we go along, but that is the hardest part. That was the hardest part. Okay, so now all we have to do is tuck this mic in. So what I've done is I've taken the smallest twist, or the smallest zip ties that I could find, and I've zip tied so that we have the least amount of wire to contend with as we work here. So we have the mic on that side. That is the left side. So on the right side, we're going to put our motovlogging mic. So basically what I've done is I put it kind of right underneath this pad. Okay, let's tuck everything back in, and what we'll do is we'll just kind of have that mic push right out. You can see right out there. Now we're ready to push everything back together. There we go. Button snapped. Mic is sticking through. Wires also out so that we can hook up. Let me just make sure. Yeah, okay. So this wire needs to stick out to hook up to the camera. So that's good. We've got the microphone there. And everything's buttoned up. Okay, so now all we got to do is install the camera. So what I did is I went to Ace Hardware. I don't know if you have Ace in your neck of the woods, but you can basically you have the right bolts. I believe these are number 5 metric. Don't quote me on that. Basically what I did was I went to the hardware store and I found, and I used the the bolt that I already had for the GoPro, and I matched it to the little thing that they have there in the store. So the reason I got these is because it has this little knob on the end that I can just twist it a little bit. Because what happens is you get this matched up here, and then you have to use the Allen wrench to tighten it. But with these little knobs on the end, I can actually give it a tightening before that. Oh, okay, yeah. And then that goes there, and then we'll just tighten these down with the Allen wrench, and we have a motovlogging setup on the new EOS. Okay, there it is. Obviously we can play with giving that wire a little less play. Yeah, that was great English. Okay, and that is it, folks. What is the time here? With having trouble getting off that adhesive backing, we still did this in about 15 minutes. So there's my motovlogging setup. It's going to have a hard time setting up on this now that there's this extra weight in front. That is all there is to it. If you guys are motovlogging out there, what is your setup? Are you guys using the media mod? Are you guys using an old GoPro? Or are you still using the adapter? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys are doing for your helmet setup. But as far as simplicity goes, I have a camera and one wire that goes into the helmet. This is why I chose the EOS, was because you have Bluetooth that's part of the helmet, so I don't have this big unwieldy device here on the side of the helmet. It's just there, and the battery's on that side. And then no adapter for the microphone to the GoPro. It's just part of the media mod. So it's the simplest setup I think that you can do if you're going to be motovlogging. Ruroc makes it easy. If you have an Atlas, they have the same setup here that you can use. If you end up getting an EOS helmet, you can do the same thing. But that is all there is to it. Thanks for watching this video. If you have questions about anything that I've done here, or you just have general questions about a motovlogging setup, leave them in the comments. I love to help, and this is the reason why I make videos like this, is because I want to be helpful. And hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, or if you liked what you saw, make sure you hit that thumbs up down there, which is the like button. Anything that you see here in this video, there will be links in the description on purchasing those things for your own setup. So make sure you check that out. But if you're out there riding, please be safe, be kind to one another. Oh, and I don't know if I told you, make sure you hit that subscribe button. My name is Eric, I'm that one guy, and I am out.